Start ma. Alright guys, this is News Listener by Angelo. Salamat po at if hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to support this channel. Okay, so pag-usapan natin yung recent news about China wants to stop uh, Philippine documentary on West Philippine Sea. Okay, recently lang to. At sabi dito from Inquirer, this is a report from July 5, 2025. So, yung title is China faces backlash for trying to stop a PH document on West Philippine Sea. So, let's go take a look. Okay, so sabi dito, first delivery photo taken in December 11, 2023, released by Atenito Coalition shows Philippine Coast Guard personnel on a pontoon with goods collected from one of the civilian vessels that took part of the group's first mission in West Philippines. So, kung natatandaan nyo, merong coalition atin ito with different groups. I believe it's led by one of the party list, Akbayan ata, 2023. Okay? Nag-defy sila sa pinakamalaking military and navy sa buong mundo. Okay? Oh, ginawa ba yan ni Duterte? Oh, hindi, syempre. Okay, so let's go down here. China has drawn criticism for attempting to stop screening of a Filipino documentary, West Philippine Sea, at the film festival in New Zealand. Oh, yun. Imagine yung makakapag lagay sa kanila ng bad image, di ba? They will do everything to stop it. Sabi dito, the Chinese Consulate General in Auckland confirmed in a statement shared by DocEdge that is requested the festival on July 4 to cancel further screening of food delivery fresh from the West Philippine Sea. Yun yung title ng ng documentary. So if you guys want to watch this, yes, please watch para malaman ng mga kababayan natin kung anong nangyayari sa West Philippine Sea na hindi alam ng halos Pilipino, di ba? Okay, so the Armed Forces of Philippines, or AFP, said in a statement on July 5 that it stands firm with the makers of the award-winning documentary Food Delivery Fresh from West Philippine Sea, defending the truth and sovereignty. So yung mabuti pa yung military natin, di ba? Sinusuportahan yung ating mga filmmakers when it comes to telling the truth. At hindi natin maririnig yan sa mga Maka Duterte. Ah, okay. So the AFP supports efforts that shed light on realities faced by Filipino fish folk, maritime defenders in West Philippine Sea. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi nilulubayan ng Chinese Coast Guard yung ating mga mangingisda at mga Coast Guard pagdating sa West Philippine Sea, di ba? O sinasabi ng previous administration, wala daw problema doon. O kasi sabi ni Commodore Tariela, the media blackout nila. So, anong i-report ng ating media, di ba? Kung ang mismo ang gobyerno ni Digong hindi hinayang gumawa ng news about the West Philippine Sea. Okay, let's go down further. Nonprofit organization Center for Information Reliance and Integrity Studies series also condemned China's diplomatic pressure on the festival, calling it an attempt to suppress credible storytelling. Yun, syempre, yung storya ay doon mismo nangyari doon sa karagatan. Diba? At Series, we firmly believe that in the face of disinformation, misinformation, and malign influence campaigns, especially by the foreign actors, transparent, credible storytelling is powerful and defense. And guys, hindi naman to tago. Merong malign influence ang China na ginagawa sa ating West Philippine Sea. Okay? And the group lauded DocEdge. Siyempre, imagine mo yun. Ginawa ni DocEdge ng paraan para tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung paglabas ng pelikula, di ba? It message more urgent than ever. A PRC attempt to suppression only underscores the documentary's importance. So sa tingin talaga nila na yung film na yun ay makakasira sa imahe ng kanilang bansa. Which is true. Kasi yung kanilang propaganda eh, Pilipinas daw yung hindi uh, tumutupad sa pinag-usapan. Eh, wala namang pinag-usapan na kailangan i-remove yung Sierra Madre, di ba? Sila lang yung gawa-gawa. Okay, there you go. Guys, if you want to know more, you can actually check the website. Search nyo lang yung yung China in attempt na stop yung film sa film festival sa New Zealand. Okay? So you can see more here and just remember, okay? Uh, yung Pilipinas ay gumagawa talaga ng paraan para maimulat natin sa iba nating kababayan, lalo na siguro sa mga ibang bansa, kung anong ginagawa ng Chinese uh, Navy, Coast Guard sa ating mga Pilipinong Coast Guard at mangingisda. Okay? So hopefully, we will share more films. Suportahan natin yung mga Pilipinong gumagawa ng ganito. Okay? So guys, thank you. If you have any questions or any suggestion rather, please type and please comment and I'll see you in the next video. Salamat po sa mga nakikinig.